Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of beginner's method. So in part 1 we learned how to solve first and the second layer, and in this video we'll learn how to solve the last layer along with the last phase. We do it together. Now we have an L shape and we need to make it as a cross shape or plus sign. To do that, follow this algorithm by holding it in this position: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now we have got a line. And we need to hold it in the position in such a way that this line points in left and right direction, and follow the same algorithm: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now we have got a plus sign. Forget about the corners, but we have got the plus sign. So now we need to match the edges of the plus sign. First we check whether any of the edges are matched already, so we do this by rotating it. Now we have got two edges marked at the right place. Now we keep one right edge at the right side and one right edge at the back side, and follow this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U. So now we can see all of the edges are matched properly. Now we need to align the corners at the right place. We have got a corner at the right place already, so we keep it at the right side and then follow this algorithm: L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. Now we need to check whether they are aligned properly or no, but now we need to do it once more because the cycle goes like this. So we repeat it. Now we can see the corner is at the right position, but it's flipped. So to make it correct, we need to do this simple algorithm, which is R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. We repeat this algorithm till we get it right. So we flip it and again do it the same thing till we get at the right place. And now we are getting it. And there we go. Our cube is solved very easily. I hope you liked it, and this was a very easy method, and if you are a beginner you can follow this method and like this video and share it as much as you can. Please check out my part 1 of this video. Thank you.